How Google search works. Number 1. Crawling. First stage is finding out what pages exist on the web. Without a central registry of all web pages, Google must constantly look for new and updated pages and add them to its list of known pages in a process called URL discovery. Some pages are known because Google has already visited them. Others are discovered when Google follows a link from a known page to a new one. Once Google discovers a page's URL, it may visit or crawl the page to find what's on it. A program called Googlebot does the fetching. It uses an algorithmic process to determine which sites to crawl, how often, and how many pages to fetch from each site. During the crawl, Google renders the page and runs any JavaScript it finds using a recent version of Chrome. This is important because websites often rely on JavaScript to bring content to the page, and without rendering, Google might not see that content. Number 2. Indexing. After a page is crawled, Google tries to understand what the page is about. This includes processing and analyzing the textual content and key content tags and attributes. During the indexing process, Google determines if a page is either a duplicate of another page on the internet or canonical, the page that may be shown in search results. To select the canonical, they first group together, clustering, the pages found on the internet that have similar content, and then select the one that best represents the group. Other pages in the group are alternate versions that may be served in different contexts, like if the user is searching for a very specific page from that cluster. Google also collects signals about the canonical page and its contents. Some signals include the language of the page, the country the content is local to, and the usability of the page. The collected information about the canonical page and its cluster may be stored in the Google Index, a large database hosted on thousands of computers. Number 3. Serving search results. When a user enters a query, the machine searches the index for matching pages and return results they believe are the most relevant to the user's query. Relevancy is determined by hundreds of factors, including information such as the user's location, language, and device. For example, searching for jewelry shops would show different results to a user in New York than a user in Mumbai.